Hey tech travelers, get ready to revolutionize your adventures. We're diving into the absolute must-have travel tech for 2026 that will make your journeys smoother, smarter, and more connected than ever before. These aren't just gadgets, they're game changers. First up, ditch those bulky chargers for the nextG GaN Power Hub. This compact marvel charges all your devices simultaneously at lightning speed, from your laptop to your phone. It's incredibly efficient, saving space and ensuring you're always powered up. Imagine seamless communication anywhere in the world. AI-powered real-time translator earbuds are now incredibly accurate and discreet. Break down language barriers effortlessly, allowing you to connect with locals and immerse yourself in new cultures like never before. For capturing breathtaking views, the new ultra-compact foldable drone is a true game-changer. With extended flight time, advanced obstacle avoidance, and stunning 4K capabilities, it fits in your pocket and delivers professional-grade aerial footage. Elevate your travel photography. Never lose your bags again with the enhanced smart luggage tracker. Utilizing advanced ultra-wideband technology, it offers pinpoint accuracy globally, even indoors. Plus, its extended battery life means peace of mind throughout your entire trip, from takeoff to touchdown. And for all your precious memories, the rugged, high-speed portable SSD is an absolute essential. It's smaller than a credit card, offers terabytes of storage, and is built to withstand any adventure. Keep your photos and videos safe and accessible on the go. These gadgets aren't just upgrades, they're essentials for the modern explorer. Get ready to travel smarter, lighter, and more connected in 2026. Which one are you adding to your travel tech arsenal first? Let us know.